All right, we just got a call for an F-150 stuck near the Jefferson Wilderness boundary. Yeah, super soft snow today, and they got stuck in a snowdrift, the last snowdrift. Yeah, so we're gonna put this FJ project on hold and head out and help them. No wife, no dogs today. They're gonna stay behind. Sun's going down. We're gonna go get them before the storm rolls in. All right, see y'all up there. All right, so we got the F-150 here, and it is super buried. Luckily, it's got recovery points ready to go. Yeah, it is buried all the way up to the frame. Yeah, no joke. She said she was buried up to the frame, and she wasn't kidding. So we're gonna dig it out a little bit, throw some Maxtrax under the tires, and then give her a nice hard pull. Like a lot of times, a winch will just kind of pull you through the snow, and it'll even dig you deeper. Okay, so for the setup here, we did the 30-foot Bubba to the 20-foot bridle to both of these factory recovery points in the front here because they are super buried. We're just gonna pull them all the way to that dirt patch. All right, let's give it a shot. All right, gonna give her the beans. Whew. All right, second try, third gear, worked like a charm. And their dog's name is Peaches. All right, so let's take a look at the carnage. Yeah, can't even see the Maxtrax. Yeah, it was 70 degrees today, like I said earlier. The weather changes the snow a lot. You know, just a couple hours in the sun, and this is completely changed, super soft. Yeah, she was completely buried. There's her diff. Yeah, these Maxtrax Actiontrax are awesome because once I get a tug on it, it just picks up the whole truck, gets that diff up out of the snow, and lets me pull it the rest of the way out. Yeah, super crucial to have. All right, I'm gonna try to make this quick because the storm's rolling in and it's super windy. It just started raining, and we have another recovery to go to. We got a high center cross track, but yeah. Susie was awesome. She was super cool. Peaches, her dog, was super cool. They were all really nice. They always are. Yeah, we didn't get it the first pull in second gear, and so we made it to third gear. Usually I don't have to go into third gear, but this one was super stuck. I mean, you saw the diff. Yeah, anyway, that was super fun. I'll be quick. If you ain't getting stuck, you ain't trying hard enough. Y'all have a good one.